Our next topic is calcium. Calcium or calcium rich foods. So the foods regarding which are rich in calcium. So this topic, first let us know what is calcium. Calcium is a mineral associated with healthy bones and healthy teeth, and it is important in blood clotting, helps muscle to contract, regulates normal heart rhythms, nerve function, and 99% of calcium is stored in bones. 1% is found in blood, muscle, and tissues. So if the calcium level is dropped in the blood, parathyroid hormone will signal the bones to release calcium in the blood. And parathyroid hormone also activates vitamin D to improve absorbing of calcium in the intestines, and also signals kidneys to release less calcium in urine. When body has enough calcium, calcitonin works to do the opposite of this. It lowers the calcium levels in the blood by stopping the release of calcium from the bones and signaling kidneys to get rid more of it in the urine. So body gets calcium in two ways: by eating food or supplements containing calcium, and by drawing from calcium in the body. If one does not eat enough calcium containing food, then body will remove calcium from bones. So calcium is borrowed from the bones, and the recommended dietary allowance is in women 19 to 50 years. It is 1000 milligrams per day, 51 plus 1200 milligrams. Pregnant and lactating women 1000 mg. In men 19 to 70 years 1000 mg. 71 and above it is 1200 mg. So calcium, it helps in lowering high BP, and calcium if taken in high dose causes hypercalcemia, that is toxic levels of the calcium in the blood, and that can cause blood to clot, and also causes arteries to harden and leading to cardiovascular disease. Therefore calcium is important nutrient required for bones and teeth, and it's necessary and important for health. So calcium dairy foods, they decrease risk of colorectal cancers, and people with kidney stones should limit calcium intake. And what are the food sources of calcium? Milk, dairy food, fruits, green leafy vegetables, beans, nuts, almonds, yogurt, orange juice, cheese, soya beans, tofu, fish, spinach, turnip, etc. And deficiency of calcium leads to hypocalcemia, which results from kidney failure, surgeries of the gastrointestinal tract, and diuretics, etc. What are the symptoms of calcium deficiency? Muscle weakness, muscle cramps, numbness in the fingers, and abnormal heart rate. And what is osteopenia? Osteopenia is decreased calcium in bones, and if not treated it leads to osteoporosis. And postmenopausal woman, calcium deficiency will be there, and amenorrhea people, there is deficiency of calcium, and lactose intolerance people, they have deficiency of calcium. So healthy eating plate, that is it contains vegetables, whole grains, fruits, healthy proteins with healthy oils to stay active, and a lot of water. And what are the calcium supplements? How to take the calcium supplements? You should take with food, because the acid the stomach makes while eating helps body to absorb calcium as calcium carbonate, and daily dose should be 500 milligram, and in low doses you have to take calcium. And you have to do not take calcium with antibiotics, biphosphonates, high blood pressure medicines,